Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and let me introduce you to your new favorite beach bag.
Gone are the days of carrying around a soggy beach towel laden fabric bag. This large rubber beach tote from GBB is made with the most durable, waterproof EVA material and it wipes clean super easily. I took this to a event where there was a lot of glitter involved and it left behind quite a bit, but I was able to clean this up so easily. It holds so many things and it is so stable. It is the perfect bag for a getaway or just toting around town, whatever you need.
I have been carrying this bag around for every single thing I do, from camping, tailgating to the beach. It is the perfect bag. I couldn't recommend it more, and that's my point of view.